Do you feel like someone is demotivating you? So today our topic is about that, how to overcome demotivation. Demotivation is a big problem in our society. We all know that demotivation is that when someone like he don't have any interest in something, he lose interest in studies or he lose interest in his work, and because of this he feel demotivated. He isn't able to do something in a proper way, and he just feel out of the world and out of, like, he just feel like other way, so he is not able to do some work in a proper way. So this is demotivation, and today we will be talking about that, how to overcome this demotivation, how can we go against this, and we can how can we build ourselves in a good way. So let's get started. First of all, we would be talking about that, what causes demotivation, what are the things that make us demotivated. So first we will be talking about the causes. So in causes, the first cause that I think is that you are comparing yourself with others. Now how? Like, if there is a person or your friend, he is better than you in something, so you are comparing yourself with him, and you think that I am not better than him, but he is a lot better than me. So because of this you would feel demotivated, that I cannot do this work, there are a lot people better than me, they are doing better work than me. So because of this of comparing, you start to feel demotivated. The second thing is that it's also because of failure or rejection. Now when we see that there are a lot of things and people that they are doing their work, but sometimes they get fail, or they are rejected by someone, so they feel demotivated, that what is this, like we aren't able to do something in a proper way, we cannot do this work. So they just feel demotivated, and they think that we cannot do something better in our life. So that's why these two things, like, these are the causes that brings demotivation. So I would be talking about the last cause, that is that lack of clear goals. Now if you don't have any goal, you don't know what am I going to do in the future, what am I going to work on now. So because of this lack of clear goals, you aren't able to do your work properly, and you start to feel demotivated. So when you will start feeling demotivated, so you won't be able to do your work in a proper way, and you will be demotivated. From this you won't have anything to do. So that's why when you will have some goals, and when you won't have clear goals, that what am I working on, so because of this you won't have anything better to do in your life. We just talked about the causes, like there were some causes of demotivation. Now we'll be talking about the effects, that because of demotivation what happens to us. Now when there will be demotivation, first we will be losing productivity. Now productivity is very important. Now if you are doing some work, you are very productive in it. So when you feel and when you get demotivated, that productivity goes out from you, then you are not able to do something in a proper way or something in your life, and you start to feel demotivated in your life. So that is why you start feeling you start losing your productivity. The second thing is that you are becoming more shy, and you lose your confidence. Now if you just lose from someone and your opponent, so you will be shy, that now people will laugh after me, and what will I do. So your confidence will be also in low, and the people will be also laughing on you. So that's why you will be more demotivated, and you won't be able to do your work in proper way. Now when we see that if someone gets demotivated, so what happens, he is always sad, and he is not able to do his work. So when you would be sad and these type of emotions will be in you, so then you would be not able to do something in your life. So that's why if you get demotivated, so from this the sadness and emotions that will increase in your life. Now we would be talking about this, that the demotivation that we face in our life, how can we overcome this? First of all, it is really important to set small goals. If you will set small goals and tasks, you would be starting to do and working on that thing. So because of this you would be able to do something in your life, and you would like start to do something. So when you would just start working on small tasks, and small goals. So from this you will be building yourself, and after building yourself you will be doing better in your life and go forward in small things. So that's why it is really important to just start doing and go after small tasks and work on it and look for small goals. Just achieve that goals. After that you do other goals. So because of small goals you would be starting to develop yourself again. The second thing is that just remember your goal, that why you started this thing, why are you doing this thing in your life. So when you would remember your goal and when you will remember your why, that why am I doing this work, so because of this it will get easy for you, and in a proper way you would be start to do your work in easy way. And the third thing is that clean your environment. In our environment there are a lot of people living. In a lot of people, some are positive, some are negative, some just demotivate us, some just say that you cannot do this in your life. So just clean your environment, look for the good people and remove negative people from your life, so that you can do better in your life. You can start your goal in a good way, and you can work on yourself in a better way and do something better in your life. It is really important to avoid comparison. Now if you are just overcoming demotivating and you are becoming more motivated, so just remove yourself from comparison. Now when you would do comparison every time with your friends, with your brothers, so because of comparison you won't be able to do something in your life. You would always fail with them. Because of this you would always be demotivated. So that's why comparison, you should not do comparison with someone else. Just do your work in a proper way and go on your the way you are going. So that's why it is really important to stop comparing yourself with others. These were some points I wanted to discuss with you. First we talked about the causes of demotivation, then effects, that what happened, and then the overcome of demotivation. And just remember, demotivation is temporary, it's not permanent. So just like every day or someday we will be feeling demotivated, then just motivate yourself by doing good things and proper things in your life. Then you will be able to succeed and do something better in your life. Just don't compare yourself with others and try to go on the path, on the goal you have chosen. So that was all. I hope you have learned a lot of things from this video. Till the next video, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.